Merry Christmas. Did that look at this shoes?
No.
Hi, and welcome back to the Human Life channel. We made it through 12 days of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my Christmas day. Did that look at these shoes? Yes. They playing that. They playing that.
Hello.
God, Jesus. Not me.
Establish the rules in the beginning, please.
Stacking.
Yes, stacking?
Yes, stacking.
Okay. Any other rules?
What else is there besides that?
Counting?
No counting. Is it jerking me?
Really?
What's the color?
Red.
Red. That would be me, right?
Uh-huh. Do that thing you do.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Don't do it. Save me, please.
After you put it down,
Check the first one, make sure it ain't no draw two.
Oh, what? Oh, we can play that?
Yeah, the first card you pick, you can play if it's...
No. Since when?
It's in the rules.
What rules?
The rules.
Sign the box.
We ain't playing by the box rules anyway.
We
so
playing
yeah.
by the rules we set before we started playing. No.
Is that a rule? Have you heard that before?
What rule?
If someone does like stack and draw twos, if the first card
I
is
ain't
draw
never did
two,
that.
you can drop it.
What do you mean the first one?
Okay, so there's
I
Jessica
put
did a
two.
draw two, Rufus did a draw two, and but I had to draw. But if my first card I went to pick is a draw, two.
Right. That's all like that don't make sense.